G'day guys, it's Tony from GME. I'm standing in the middle of the Simpson Desert. We're about 135 k's away from Birdsville, and obviously we're in a pretty remote place. There are a rather large number of flies around, so you're gonna have to deal with me swatting them away from time to time. But what we're gonna talk about today is the sorts of equipment that you need to bring with you to ensure that when you're exploring these remote areas of Australia, you do so safely. So the first thing that you're going to need is a handheld UHF, like this. This is a 6600, it's a 5-watt UHF, it's IP rated, dust proof, which is great out here because there's plenty of dust. Really good for communicating around the campsite, or if you're spotting someone over one of the dunes, really handy to have a handheld on you. The second thing is a first aid kit. If anything goes wrong out here, and you need to do some basic first aid, it's really handy to have a first aid kit in your vehicle and also to have it in a place that's really easy to access, so you know if you need it in a hurry, you know exactly where to go to get it. So of course, one of the other really important things to make sure you have in your vehicle is a fixed mount UHF and a really high quality antenna. Particularly in a place like the Simpson Desert, there's over 1,000 sand dunes out here and you can't see over the top of them, so it's really good. You're on the desert channel, channel 10 out here. You can communicate with people, let them know how many people are in your convoy so that you're not going to have any issues. Now, of course, nobody wants anything bad to happen when they're out and about exploring Australia, but accidents do happen, and sometimes you can get yourself in a situation where you do require emergency assistance. Out here, your mobile phone is not going to help you. So, it's always a good idea to have a PLB in your vehicle, like the MT410. It's really small. This one lives in the glove box of my vehicle. Wherever we go in Australia, this thing's always there, and everyone that I'm traveling with knows exactly where it is and how to activate it in the event of an emergency. You hope you're never going to need to use a PLB, but it's a great piece of insurance to have in your vehicle, knowing that it's there in the case that something really bad does happen. Now, aside from that, really, you need a well-maintained vehicle, plenty of fuel, plenty of water, and a few beers to drink around the campfire.